Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at some limited edition cases from Ghostek. Now, you can pick these up from Ghostek.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. Let's get right into it. Now, we got 4 different phones I'm going to show y'all. First up, we're going to start off with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is the Mickey Mouse Everything Turns Gray by Doped Out M. This is a limited edition Covert case. Now, this one is going to run you $100. Now, they make them for the Galaxies, the Pixels, the iPhones. And one unique thing about this case, there's only 10 of each. So the Galaxy S24, you got 9 left. If you buy a Galaxy Z Flip 5, you got 10. iPhone 16 Plus, you got 10. All right, 16 Pro, only 9 left. Pro Max, only 7 left. Okay, so you got to jump on these. All right, so this is the Mickey Mouse Everything Turns Gray by Doped Out M. This is a limited edition collaboration, okay? Only 10 of each. Now, this is infused with R2X silicone shock resistors. You got raised camera lens protector, okay? Shockproof, silicone corners, 8 feet drop tested, scratch-resistant clarity, okay? Effortless reactive buttons, MagSafe compatible, precise detailed cutouts. You got a secure anti-slip grip, okay? Let's check any more features. Minimalistic lightweight design. Okay, R2X shock absorbing corners, comfortable non-slip grip, raised camera lens perimeter. Let's see, you got lifted bumper to protect your screen, military grade drop tested, withstands drops from 8 feet, and supports wireless charge. Okay, so this is a MagSafe case. Ghostek, okay, they did it again. Mickey Mouse, Everything Turns Gray. Let's get and check this one out. Birdman hands rubbing together. Nice black box, y'all know I like that. Giggity. Look at the presentation, Ghostek. You got the collab, limited edition. This will make a nice gift. Let's see what you got inside. Okay. Now I was reading the website without my glasses. I'm going to try to do it again. Let's see. Here we go. My paintings, rooted in graffiti art and the spirit of the streets, are an explosion of color that carries the energy of the city. With a quick execution and carefully chosen combination of colors, each brushstroke conveys an emotion and sparks creativity. Okay, this is pretty dope. Rome, Italy. Doped Out M. Let's see what else you get now. I don't want y'all to see the case yet. Let's see. Let's see what else. Oh, what is this? Okay, now check this out. You got the little card right here. This is like classic graffiti art right here. Doped Out M. Mickey Mouse. Everything Turns Gray. I like that. Okay, I like that. Let's see. Now, of course, certificate of authenticity. Plug it and file it. Let's see what number this is. This is number 9 of 10. Okay, so there's only 9 more left of these. This is pretty dope. This is the kind of stuff I like to see. I like individually numbered products. Woo! Check this out. Now, M-I-C-K-E-Y, M-O-U-S-E. I ain't gonna lie. I was a Mickey Mouse fan back in the days, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. Check this out. But I like the graffiti, though. I'm old school, okay? I'm not necessarily a Mickey Mouse fan like that, but I do like the graffiti. I grew up back in the days, back in the subways of New York City, graffiti all over the place. This is kind of sick. And look at that gold trim for your camera cutout. Nice grips on the side. Little Ghostek branding. Okay. Buttons, cutouts. Scratch resistant inside. Let's see. Now you get some Ghostek troll stickers. Okay. Let me get to save that. But make sure you save this card and your certificate of authenticity. Let's see. Okay, another Ghostek card. See how the Covert works. Okay, follow them on all the socials. Okay, so let me grab. We got the banana head yellow. You know what I'm saying? Let's slap this in. Perfect fit. Look at that. There's the graffiti. Let's see. Let's check the buttons. There's your buttons. Okay, buttons, cutouts. Let me see. Let me grab a wireless charger. All right, so I think the MagSafe is just for the iPhone version. Let's check wireless charge. There's your wireless charge. Look at that big cutout right there. So easy access to your S Pen. And of course, it's still a Covert case. So you got maximum razivity. So it is Slamboy certified. This is insane. Number 9 of 10, the Mickey Mouse Everything Turns Gray. I'm feeling this one. Now, I got a few more I want to show y'all. All right, so next up, we got a case for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. We got the Mickey Mouse Plush Fashion by Doped Out M. This is another limited edition Covert case. $100 on this. Remember, only 10 of each. So for the Galaxy Z Fold 6, there's 9 left. I got 1. Okay. iPhone 16 Pro, 9 left. 16 Pro Max, only 4 left. Okay. All of the same specs on this one. But check this one out. You got to see this one. Watch this. Beautiful, same black box. Okay. Y'all know I like that. Gold letters for the collab. Ghostek limited edition. I might have to guy to save this box too. Check this out, because y'all know I like a nice box. Who doesn't? Giggity. All right, now we're not going to read that again. Same information. But let's see what's in. Okay, now look at this. Okay, so each one comes with a different, let's see, by Doped Out and Mickey Mouse Plush Fashion. Yo, I just noticed this on the website. If you look closely, why Mickey Mouse got on the Louis Vuitton shorts, the Gucci shoe. This is crazy. On the back, Louis, Gucci, Chanel. This is kind of sick. Now, I was looking closely at the Everything Turns Gray, and it says Everything Turns Gray. All of the, you know, like say just, what does that say? Say just yes, love. You know, this is real graffiti. But this one right here, you got the dollar signs, you got the Louis. This is kind of crazy. All right, my girl is going to love this. This is sick. All right, let's see. Anything else? Okay, so this is number 1 of 10. I got the first one. And I got the first one. After this, that's it. They gone. This is for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Oh, now, what is this? Oh, okay, now, for Galaxy Z Fold 6 cases, you know you got to use the stickers because these are 2-part style cases. Okay, comes with the little tweezers. This is going to be the outer part of the case. You got your troll stickers and all that good stuff. Okay, I just ripped the troll sticker in half. All of that good stuff right there. Now, the most important thing is keep your certificates of authenticity. If you get multiple ones, let me get to save those and keep these cards, the collector's edition cards. All right, let me put that to the side. All right, check this out. The case is exactly like the card. The Louis shorts are insane. This is tough. All right, the Chanel. Yo, why Mickey got the heart tattoo right there? Oh, this is fire. All right, let me grab a Galaxy Z Fold 6. And let's slap this on. Now, keep in mind, at the end of the day, it's not just about the fashion. It's still a Ghostek Covert case. So you're going to get that classic Ghostek protection. Now, I'm not going to peel the stickers off because I like to switch cases every day. But if you're going to buy this one, use the stickers on the inside. This way, your case will not move around. Now, even without the stickers, it's not moving around. But if you really want it to be 100% secure, just make sure you use the stickers. Now, I'm not going to, me personally, with my Galaxy cases, y'all been watching my videos lately, I don't even use the outer layer. I like to leave it just like this. But look at the back of this. Now you got your buttons cutouts. Again, if you haven't tried it. Now, of course, if you want maximum protection, leave it. You know, leave the outer layer. But me personally, I like using these cases without the outer layer. You got nice hinge protection right here. Yeah, nice solid phone. Slam Boy certified. Let's check the wireless charge status. Okay. That was a little drop test right there. There's your wireless charge. Okay. But look at Mickey's shorts. I gotta put my glasses on and look closely right there, but you can see that Gucci from a mile away. And that Louis, I just got the Louis Timberlands. I might have to back this out with the Louis Timberlands. Anyway, all right, so this is the plush joint. Okay, let's keep it moving. Matter of fact, let these sink in for a minute. Let these get into your bloodstream. Now, let me see, what other color Galaxy do I have? Let me see. Real quick, I think I got one right here. Because the banana head yellow might not be the best for that one. I just thought about that. Let me switch. Okay, I just switched to the titanium Galaxy S24. That looks a lot better with the Everything Turns Gray Mickey case. But the titanium and the plush with the Louis shorts, this is it right here. This is it. All right, let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, we got one for the Google Pixel. We got the Mickey Mouse My Way. Again, $100 on this one. Let's see, for the Pixel Pro XL, you got 4 left. Look at it, sold out for the Galaxy, sold out for the 16 Pro Max. For the Pixel 9, you got 10. Z Fold, 4 left. Remember, only 10 of each. Okay, so if you want the Mickey Mouse my way, let's see. For the Pixel 9 Pro, you got 9 left. But if you want this one for the Galaxy, you're a little late. Okay, already sold out on a few. Limited edition. That is the definition of limited edition. When they say only 10, after 10, that's it. That's what makes these exclusive. And I'm going to tell y'all a little secret at the end of the video. All right, so let's check this one out. Same nice black box presentation. Little collab in gold. Let's see. Okay. Now this one right here, same thing. Let's check the card on this one first. Let's see. This is number 10 of 10. Okay, save that. Doped out M. Check this one out. Okay, Mickey Mouse my way. Now let me look at the little details, because the first time I didn't look at the details closely. All of the graffiti, some dollar signs right there. Yo, Nike's, the reverse Nike. Is that, oh, that's a regular Nike check? Okay, I thought that was the Travis Scott Nike check. That's a regular Nike check. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this look pretty dope. Here's the case. Now, of course, troll stickers on deck. Look at this one. Now, this is going to match this color pixel so perfectly. Look at that. This is the perfect match. Let's get a little wipe down on the cameras. Look at that. Got the right. Yo, Mickey driving the boat right there. I respect it. There's the buttons. I forgot the pixels got these high power buttons. Let's check the resivity. Slamboy certified. Let's check for wireless charge. There's your wireless charge. Lights flashing. Beautiful. Nice amount of grip too. Ghostek branding. You can add a lanyard if you want. Buttons cutouts, everything lines up. Official tissue. Look at the artwork though. You know, that's what makes these unique. The artwork. Okay, now why did my flashlight just come on mad bright right in my face? Oh, I forgot Pixel's got these lights on the side. Let me turn that off. All right, hold on. Okay, check this out. Again, this is what makes these unique and makes these a perfect gift. Limited edition, comes with the card. Look at that perfect artwork match. Bro, your girl is going to love one of these. Trust me. Trust me. I know. All right, so this is the Pixel version. Now, I got one more I want to show y'all. All right, so last up, we got one for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. We got the Donald Duck Lux Eternal by Doped Out M. Limited edition Covert case. $100 on this one. Now, I had to Google Lux Eternal. That means eternal light. Okay, pretty dope. iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now, if you want this one, there's only 4 left. For Galaxy, you got 9. Pixel 9 Pro, 10 left. Pro XL, 8 left. Let's see, iPhone 15 Pro, 9. 15 Pro Max, 9 left. But if you want one for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, the same one that you're going to see in this video, there's only 4 left. So you better jump on this immediately. Okay, the Lux Eterna. Beautiful presentation. Gold collab letters. I love that. Okay, here it is. Now, let's see the card first. First of all, you know, me, I got to check what number I got. Okay, I got number 2 of 10. Okay, so make sure you keep these. Let's take a look at the details on this one now. First, let's see. This looks like, this is Donald Duck. Okay, he has love. Oh, what does that say on the Dom? Let's say Don on the knuckles. Okay, got the bow tie coming in hot. Okay, the green eyes. Okay, I'm kind of feeling this one. Very graffiti-ish. Okay, my uncle would have definitely painted this on the train. Let's see. Here's the actual case. Now, of course, certificate of authenticity, Ghostek social media sites. Here's the actual case. Now, this one has MagSafe. Okay, so MagSafe is for the iPhone version, which makes sense. Ghostek covert status, gold trim, grips cut out for your camera button. Let's grab the iPhone, slap it right in. Now, let me grab, now I can use
I'm sorry, I did.
Calm down, Siri, calm down. MagSafe. Okay, now this one of my favorite MagSafes to let the phone spin. Okay, so MagSafe definitely works. Super strong magnet. Let's check the buttons. Buttons cutouts. One for your camera. Okay, of course, Razivity, Slamboy certified. Now, MagSafe works, so you already know that means wireless charge is going to work. Okay, there's your wireless charge. But most importantly, the Lux Eterna. Like I said, I had to Google how to pronounce that. Matter of fact, let's see. Let's see if Siri knows. What is Lux Eterna?
Lux Eterna is a piece for a 16-part mixed choir written by Georgie Ligeti in 1966.
Okay, well, I said it correctly, though. Look at that, though. Look at that. Donald is that yeah, this Donald Duck, not Daffy Duck. This is Donald Duck. I gotta get my ducks together. Yeah, Don. Yeah, like Donald Duck. It says Don on the knuckles. Sick, pretty sick. Okay, so here we go. Let these sink in for a minute. Let me see which one is my favorite. I think y'all already know which one is my favorite. The Louis shorts on Mickey, 100%. And again, exclusivity, man. Now, I know some of y'all going to say, oh, $100, that's too much. I could get a case for $20. You can. You can. But if you're going to drop $1,500 on a phone, okay, and you're going to keep it for the next 2 years, treat yourself, don't cheat yourself, okay? Now, when I go to dinner and I sit down and this case is on the table, what is that? This is the Mickey Mouse limited edition, okay? In a few weeks, you can't even buy one. Oh, well, you got that from Amazon? No, this is limited edition. That's what I like, okay? Again, don't get me wrong. On my channel, I like to show cases for everybody. I got cases that cost $5 all the way up to $150, $200, $300 cases. This is not for everybody, but this is for that person who likes to be different, unique, and have a certain level of exclusivity-ness. Okay, and remember, now if you're going to get this, make sure you keep the card in your wallet. This is because you got to back this out on somebody. And these I'll probably just put on my little chalkboard in one of my offices somewhere and just have up for reference. And again, these make perfect gifts. Perfect gifts. Now, there's one more thing I want to talk about. All right, so the last thing I wanted to mention, I was talking to my people over at Ghostek, and they let me know that after this collaboration is over, it's not the end, okay? It's the end of the Mickey Mouse, but they got Marvel, they got DC Art, and other artists that they're working with, so you're going to have more custom collaboration cases in the future. Anyway, these are the Ghostek limited edition Covert cases by Doped Out M. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google Plus. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes. Picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise. Spock here.
Spock, one to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.